Come on, the wooter. Think there's any fishes out there, huh? There's something in your nose. Let's see. Oh. You don't do it. There's a bite. Think it's on there? Oh yeah. What do we got? Oh, gaff top, I think. Biting like a gaff top. No, stingray, big old stingray. Wow. You scared of it, the Spook? He took the top one too. That's weird. Woo! Look at the teeth on this guy. It's weird. Woo! Now I don't have a good way to get him back. Don't have my. Woo! Oh! There he goes. And then you return him because you're not a jerk. Don't just leave him on the ground to die, right, Spook? What are you doing, Spook? What's that little bird doing? He took the baits. No, not in the water, the wooter. And on my shoes, and my shorts. What are you trying to do, huh? What are you trying to do? You trying to get me dirty, huh? Thanks, Spook. Thank you. Got something. Hopefully it's still on. Oh yeah, it's still on. What do you think it is? I'm gonna say, I don't know. I have no idea actually. I'll say gaff top. He's going for the wall. Oh, might be another stingray. Yep, gaff top. Big old gaff top. See the Spook? Big old gaff top. Not that big, but decent size anyway. It's a fish. A Spook. Let's go home, the wooter. Come on.